Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Stardew Valley Expanded on mobile. This beloved fan-made expansion brings a wealth of new content, including over 24 new characters, more than 50 fresh locations, and hundreds of unique character events. While not officially supported, there are methods to enjoy this expanded world on your mobile device, allowing you to take your farming adventures anywhere. For Android users, the primary method involves installing Smappy for Android, which acts as a crucial mod loader. You will then need to download the Stardew Valley expanded mod files, along with its required dependencies like Content Patcher and JSON assets. These files are then carefully transferred into the designated mods folder within your Stardew Valley mobile game directory, enabling the expanded content. Before beginning, verify your mobile Stardew Valley game version is compatible with the specific mod files you download. Utilizing a robust file manager application on your phone will greatly simplify the process of moving and extracting mod folders. It is also highly recommended to create a backup of your existing game saves. This precaution ensures your progress is safe in case any issues arise during the mod installation. Beyond direct modding, you can also stream the PC version of Stardew Valley expanded to your mobile device using applications like Steam Link or Moonlight. Another option is to use cloud gaming services such as GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming, which support the base game and can potentially run the modded PC version. For both streaming and cloud gaming, a strong and consistent internet connection is absolutely essential for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.